Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is 6 men and 4 women can make 12 toys in 4 days. 4 men and 8 women can make 30 toys in 10 days. How many women must work with 7 men so that they can make 15 toys in 5 days? So even though the question seems a little complex, it is very easy and direct question. So let's see how to approach these kind of questions. So first we have to break down it into simpler parts. 6 men and 4 women can make 12 toys in 4 days. So that means in one day how many toys will be made? 12 toys are made in 4 days. So in one day 3 toys will be made. 12 by 4 is equal to 3. So that way we can write the equation in a simplified manner. 6 men plus 4 women will be making 3 toys per day. Now second one is 4 men and 8 women can make 30 toys in 10 days. So that means they will be making how many toys in one day? 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. So 4 men and 8 women are also making 3 toys in one day. So here the question is direct. It is given actually how many toys are made on one day. It's given directly. So we need not take the LCM, we need not find out how many toys are made in one day. It's directly given, so the question becomes somewhat simpler, or some steps we can omit. So normally number of days will be given, from that we will be assuming the number of chocolates as the total amount of work to be done, and from there we will be finding out how many chocolates are taken in one day, and from there we will be solving the equation and finding out how many chocolates men will be having one day and how many chocolates women will be having one day. But here the thing is, it is given directly what is the work done in one day. 6 men and 4 women together makes 3 toys in one day. 4 men and 8 women together make 3 toys in one day. So we just have to solve these equations and find out how many toys are made by one man in one day and how many toys are made by one woman in one day. So we are having two equations, 6m plus 4w is equal to 3 and 4m plus 8w is equal to 3. So what is m and w? M is representing the number of toys made by one man in one day and w is representing the number of toys made by one woman in one day. So let's solve these two equations by taking the LCM or by making number of men equal. So multiplying this equation by 2 and multiplying this equation by 3, we will be eliminating men. Both 12 will come here and we will be eliminating it. And I am not explaining the steps here. So finally by solving these two equations, we will be getting m is equal to 3 by 8 and w is equal to 3 by 16. So one man will be having or will be making 3 by 8 part of toy in one day and one woman will be making 3 by 16th part of a toy in one day. So what's our question? How many women must work with 7 men so that they can make 15 toys in 5 days? So 15 toys in 5 days means the meaning is 3 toys in one day. So our equation is complete. 7 men are there. 7 men will be making 3 by 8. 7 into 3 by 8 toys. One man will be making 3 by 8 toy in one day. So 7 men will be making 7 into 3 by 8 toys. Plus we don't know the number of women. So let the number of women be equal to x. So x into the number of toys made by one woman in one day is equal to 3 by 16. So x women will be making 3 by 16 x toys in one day. So x into 3 by 16 is equal to 3. So just by solving this equation, we will be able to find out what is x. So 21 by 8 plus 3x by 16 is equal to 3. So we will be having 3x by 16 is equal to 3 minus 21 by 8. So we will be getting 3 by 8. So from that we will be getting x is equal to 2. So 2 women have to work with 7 men so that 3 toys can be made in one day. Question number 2. 32 men and 32 boys can do a certain piece of work in 3 days. 6 men and 24 boys can do this work in 8 days. In how many days can 16 men and 20 boys finish the same work? So this is an and question. So it is given 32 men and 32 boys will be able to do a piece of work in 3 days, and 6 men and 24 boys are able to do the piece of work in 8 days, then how many days will be taken if 16 men and 20 boys are working together and doing the same work? So we can use the chocolate approach. Here we are having 3 and 8. So the amount of work done is equal to total number of chocolates is equal to LCM of 8 and 3, which is equal to 24. So we can write 32M plus 32 boys, where M and B are representing, M is representing the number of chocolates taken by one man in one day, and B is representing the chocolates, number of chocolates taken by one boy in one day. So 32M plus 32 boys, these together they are taking, 32 men and 32 boys together are taking 3 days to complete 24 chocolates. So together they will be having 24 by 3 is equal to 8 chocolates per day. Then what about 6 men and 24 boys? 6 men and 24 boys are taking 8 days to complete the work, and therefore they will be having 3 chocolates per day. Just we can simplify the equation and write, just dividing throughout by 8, we will be getting 4M plus 4B is equal to 1, and here also we are dividing throughout by 3, so we will be getting 2M plus 8B is equal to 1. Now we have to solve these two equations. So just multiplying this equation into 2, we will be getting 4M plus 16B is equal to 2. Now we can eliminate M from these two equations, and then we will be getting 12B is equal to 1. So therefore B is equal to 1 by 12. So that means one boy will be having 1 by 12 chocolate per day. Then what about one man? Substituting B is equal to 1 by 12 in this equation, we will be getting M is equal to 1 by 6. That means one man will be having 1 by 6 chocolate per day. So what is our question? How much time will be taken by 16 men and 20 boys? So one man is having 1 by 6 chocolate. So 16 men will be having 16 into 1 by 6 chocolates. Plus what about boys? One boy is having 1 by 12 chocolate. So 20 boys will be having 20 into 1 by 12 chocolate. So this is what they will be having in one day. So one day 16 men and 20 boys together will be having how many chocolates? So here just cancelling by 2, we will be having here 3, 8. Here we are cancelling by 4. 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 5. So it's 13 by 3 chocolate per day. So 16 men and 20 boys together will be having 13 by 3 chocolates per day. So how many chocolates we are having? 24 chocolates. So how many days will be taken by these 16 men and 20 boys to complete 24 chocolates? It will be given as 24 divided by 13 by 3. That is 72 by 13 days. So these many number of days will be taken by 16 men and 20 boys to finish the work. Thank you for watching.